Have you ever wondered how you could earn money just by watching ads? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. With the method I'm about to show, you can make $2 per minute just by viewing Google ads. Sounds amazing, right? And the best part is, this method works globally. But that's not all. I'll also show you how to make $24 a day by watching ads from your favorite brands. All you have to do is visit the website I'll reveal later. Plus, the platform is partnered with numerous brands, so you'll have new ads to watch every day. Earn $5 for each referral who registers using your link. After hitting the minimum payout threshold, you can transfer your funds to PayPal or select an alternative withdrawal method. So why wait? Click that Sign Up Now button and let's get started on your journey to earning passive income by watching ads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive into the details and start making some money. Curious about this website? Hit Sign Up Now and fill in your name, password, email address, and date of birth. Make sure to record your server number for future access. Check the box and click Sign Up. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. After signing in, your dashboard will show your account details along with a sign-up bonus. Now let's talk about boosting your earnings. On your dashboard, you'll see around 5 ads ready for viewing. Start by clicking on the first ad, usually from Google. Click the complete, and you just have to wait while the page is loading, and you'll see the following screen. It might take a couple of seconds, but make sure not to close the tab. After it's done loading, you'll return to your dashboard. Notice your account has been credited with 57 cents, increasing your total balance to around $10.57. Next, follow the same step for the other 4 ads on your screen. When you click on the second ad, you have a chance to earn 62 cents. Click Complete, and you just have to wait to finish the loading. Sometimes an ad pops up on the page. All you have to do is to close it and refresh your page. Now, your account balance shows $11.19, and it will keep increasing. You've noticed you have 3 more ads left to watch. This means you can watch up to 5 ads every 24 hours. The first ad you watched won't be available again until 24 hours have passed. But don't worry, I'll show you how to continue earning up to $2.49 every minute. Now let's focus on maximizing your earnings to consistently make $2.49 using these 5 ads. The approach requires setting up several accounts on this site. While it may require some effort, the potential earnings make it worthwhile. You might establish between 5 and 10 accounts. Using a single account, you can earn $2.49 in under a minute. 57 cents, 62 cents, 30 cents, 46 cents, and 54 cents. If you manage 10 accounts, that amounts to $24.90 in just a few minutes with ease. If you're concerned about not having enough email addresses, don't worry. I have a bonus trick for you to create multiple accounts. Let me guide you through it. First, log out of your current account, then start fresh by clicking Sign Up again. On the next page, I'll enter a new name, create a different password, and use a unique date of birth. For the email, I'll visit temp-mail.org. It's a convenient website where you can get temporary emails for free. Your temporary email will appear here. Click the icon to copy it, then go back to the ad site and paste that temporary email into the appropriate field. Remember to note your server number. It's crucial for future logins. Tick the box and hit Sign Up. Your new account is now ready. To set up another account on this website, follow this straightforward method. Return to TempMail to obtain a new email address. You can obtain another free email by clicking Change on TempMail to replace the old email with a new temporary one. Use this fresh email to create a third account on the website. Remember to copy the previous temp mail email you used for creating the third account on the ads viewing site. Store these details in an Excel file for quick access later on. Repeat this process to easily set up anywhere from 10 to 20 accounts for free. Now, if you're looking to generate $1,500 in passive income, follow this step. Navigate to the left side of your dashboard and under My Account, select Invites Earnings. Here, you'll earn $1 for each person who signs up using your unique link. They'll also receive a $10 sign-up bonus. Grab your referral link from this section and share it with friends and family to begin earning money effortlessly. This platform goes by the name Cashvib. In the current digital era, making money online is accessible. Here's a strategy to attract a large number of registrations through your referral link, potentially enabling you to earn $700 daily in passive income. Start by visiting Facebook and searching for Make Money Online. Scroll down and click on Groups, then select Public Groups. You'll find many open groups where you can connect with potential referrals. As you continue scrolling, you'll encounter numerous groups that are available to join. The best part is that becoming a member of these groups requires no special permissions. You can effortlessly join any that catch your interest. For instance, clicking on a group directs you to a page filled with posts offering diverse opportunities to earn money online. You can start by crafting a similar post. Consider this example. A recent post has already attracted substantial attention with numerous likes and comments from intrigued individuals. To earn $50 daily, refer to 10 members from this group to Cashvib. Here's how to post on Facebook. Click Share Post. Write, "Hey everyone, I'm excited to share an awesome opportunity with you all. Earned $100 from ads on a free site. Join me and start earning right away. Register and you'll get $10 just for signing up." Comment how for details, #earn money online, #referral bonus, #join now, and attach a payment proof from Cashvib's live payments section. You can apply this approach in various Earn Money Online Facebook groups and watch referrals grow steadily. This strategy could boost your earnings to over $700 per day. Aim to get around 10 to 30 people signing up daily to start earning between $1,500 and $4,500 a month just from simple Facebook posts. To cash out, go to your dashboard and click Withdrawal. Choose from options like PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, or Google Play gift cards, each with a minimum withdrawal of $70 and a maximum of $100 per day. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.